This has gone under very extensive restoration by our restoration volunteers, and it has the attribute basically, and it's also a former California Air National Guard fighter. So it's an F-102 Delta Dagger.
Oh,
so
wow.
it was tasked with air defense over our Golden State in the late 60s and into the 70s.
How long has this been in restoration?
It's been in restoration about 6 years.
Wow.
And part of that is, you can do restorations, shop them in and out, but we wanted to go in depth on this because of what it was and what it means to California and the Air National Guard.
So we are here at Open Cockpit Day, and Bill, tell us about this plane.
This is the F-102, built by Convair in San Diego. This particular airplane was built in about 1956, and it's really interesting. I lived in San Diego at the time. I was going to high school, and I actually sold newspapers to the people that built these airplanes.
Wow.
And then years later, I ended up flying them, the F-102 and the F-106.
Wow, so you actually flew, wow. So how long ago was that?
Well, 1956, 67, 66, 67, 50, 56, 57.
And that's when you actually flew them as well?
No. When did I fly them?
Yeah,
I flew them starting in 1967. 1967.
So that must have been interesting. You see it, and then it's like, then I get to be in the
right.
fantasy lives.
This is an F-102. Same thing with the F-106, which is also on display here today. Convair built those. I sold newspapers to those people, and I ended up flying them later also.
So what's the history of this particular aircraft?
Well, this was the first Century Series, they call it, F-100, F-102, 1, whatever, that was an interceptor, a high-altitude interceptor. And, of course, it was built to shoot down Russian bombers. I don't know that we ever shot one down, but we were ready to. And it really didn't have... it didn't go supersonic very fast, I think 1.2, something like that, where the F-106 would go twice the speed of sound. And the way they did that was they aerodynamically improved this design in the F-106, and they got a much better engine in it, and a much better fire control system to launch the weapons.
So we don't know if this one ever shot anybody down? We're not sure?
I think it did. Yeah, but not Russian bombers.
So when did Castle inherit this beauty?
I don't know that, but it literally came out of restoration last week. That's why it's probably the shiniest, newest, cleanest airplane on the display today.
Wow, so this is brand new. So nobody has seen this before.
I think it sat out here and it needed a paint job, but now it's got a paint job and now they can see it really nice.
That's awesome. So how many open cockpits does this make for you?
This is the first time I've ever done this. I live in Fresno, and the president of the board here was speaking to our Rotary Club, and I don't know, somehow we got to talking that I flew the 102, and he says, we want a pilot that flew the 102 to be the open cockpit guy for the 102, so here I am.
And that's impressive because we don't get a lot of people that actually flew that.
Yep.
What else did you fly?
I flew the F-106, I flew the F-4, and then I flew the F-16, which is right over there.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for talking with us today.
Oh, you're welcome. My pleasure.